Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Legacy of Kain Defiance Remastered game, crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, pressing, stuck on loading screen, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game installation folder. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues again and again, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. After adding it, here you have to search for the game and after that select it. Make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, then switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image over here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, here switch off enable in-game overlay options as you can see. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable this as it can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and update your graphics card from there. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below, click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. After it is finished, restart your PC and again log into the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So click on add desktop app. Now click on go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after selecting high performance try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Legacy of Kain Defiance Remastered game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. Now after that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now reinstall Legacy of Kain Defiance Remastered game on Steam, and after that try to play the game and see if this helps to fix whatever the problem you're coming across while playing the game. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Legacy of Kain Defiance Remastered game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.